How to create a good Instagram video with Canva app in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a good Instagram video with Canva app fast and easy. All what you have to do is go to Canva app like this, and now this is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go here down below and click on this plus right button, then go to the search and search for Instagram. Search for Instagram. Yeah, like this. Now go down and search for Instagram video, and here is it. Click on Instagram video, and now you are able to choose one of these video templates. Okay, let's choose for example this one and click on it like this, and now you can change the text from here as you can see, financial wall like this. Now the video is ready fast and easy, and you can save it from here as you can see. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.